Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. Today, I'm going to show how to remove the gauge cluster from 80s Toyota pickups and 4Runners. All you need for this job is a number 2 Phillips Head Screw Driver. First, I need to remove the outer plastic surround trim. There's a screw here on the bottom left, another Phillips screw on the bottom right, an angled Phillips screw on the top left above the cluster, and another angled Phillips screw on the top right. And then there's one last Phillips head screw on the outer left edge. And that's it. The surround trim pulls right off. If your Toyota has buttons for power options, you'll need to unplug those switches from the back first to pull off this trim. With the cover out of the way, there's 4 more Phillips head screws holding the cluster to the dash frame. Next, I've got to unhook the speedometer cable. Normally, I'd sit in the car and do this by feel, but it's easier to see from the outside. So I'm reaching over the top of the cluster, and there's a little white clip sticking out on the side of the plastic connector on the cable. Just reach down there and give that clip a squeeze, and the cable will release. Here's a better look at that cable and clip. Now I have just 1, 2, and 3 harnesses to unplug. And the cluster is free. Here's a good look at the back side, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more how-to videos and project vehicle updates here at the 6th Gear Garage. Oh! Nice. Now how in the hell am I going to get out of here? Oh my